Hi guys, Ben Gazelle here, Principal of BMG Property Group, and welcome to my second market report for 2016. I wanted to lift off from where I finished my last report, and as we all remember, we analysed 3 areas that experienced record growth in their history. And you would expect a little bit of a slowdown on those numbers. But for one particular area, there was a huge difference, and I've got a thought and a reason behind that, so let's take a closer look. For the first 6 months of 2016, Benora Point had a slight reduction in activity, down by 5.15% from 2015. Tweed Heads amazingly experienced another slight increase in properties sold, up by 8.08% from their 2015 record year. But Coolangatta was clearly affected by something more applicable to the majority of its sales, as it was down a whole 22.17% for the first half of 2015. So why the large change in Coolangatta and not the other 2 areas? Well, the topic of negative gearing was at the forefront of the federal election for the first half of 2016. And as you can see by the numbers in Coolangatta, which, by the way, contains a very strong section of the investors that buy here, it was a major concern for them to make a very confident move forward with their purchase. And I think that affected the market for the 2016 first half. One thing we have to understand about our investment market here in Coolangatta and its surrounding suburbs is that it heavily relies on the lifestyle investor. People that have been coming here for years with their parents, holidaying in Rainbow Bay and Coolangatta, and now want to continue that tradition with their family. They're not the typical investor looking for returns and numbers. The basis of their decision is on lifestyle. So, the thought of negative gearing being abolished and the lack of confidence in the investment market led Coolangatta to suffer 50 less sales for the first half of 2016. Yet the 2 neighbouring suburbs, which don't rely on investment so heavily, weren't affected at all. I think this leads to the reason why Coolangatta suffered such a reduction in the first half of 2016. Lastly, I wanted to make mention of the continued success that the team at BMG are having. Our simple strategy behind what we are trying to do is to provide our clients with the most skilled and knowledgeable staff that then want to provide the best customer experience they can. So thank you to our landlords, to our tenants, from our sellers and to our buyers. We look forward to the opportunity of continuing this ever-growing relationship in the future. I'm Ben Gazelle, Principal of BMG Property Group. Thank you for watching my market report. If you'd like to visit us on our webpage, feel free to do so at bmgpropertygroup.com.au or our Facebook page. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you at the next market wrap.